hear?
Yes. We can hear.
You guys are coming in real soft on my end.
What?
You guys are coming in soft on my end.
Soft in your end?
Volume-wise.
Then you probably need to turn up the volume.
Volume's max. Hang on, I'm checking the Discord volume.
Yeah, but you're on the phone.
No, all my volumes are all the way up. You guys are just coming in soft.
We're not soft. We're fine. Our volume is normal.
Yeah, but on my end, I can barely hear you guys.
Yeah, because your equipment is a phone.
What was that?
Because you're on the phone!
Well, it's all I have at the moment.
And it's a lot of noise around you.
Not a whole lot, actually.
Well, it sounds like you're in a fucking storm.
What on earth? Alright, let me try to figure this out, guys. Today's just been a real shit show. Literally.
It sounds like you're outside, cars are driving, wind is blowing.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
You guys are still coming in real soft volume-wise. I got all my stuff jacked up to max.
Okay.
You guys seem to be the only people I have issues with this. Everyone else comes in crystal clear. Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? I hate this phone.
Get a real phone. Okay, but aren't you home today? Are you out? I'm screaming. Airsoft?
Yeah?
Are you outside or inside?
I'm in my van at the moment.
Okay. Now I can actually hear myself pretty well from you as well.
This is what the fuck kind of moment.
So it can't be that low or that soft.
I am seriously having a hard time hearing you guys right now.
Maybe it's your ears?
Nah, yours work on everyone else. It just seems like you guys are coming in really, like, light in the volume department. You're coming in like a whisper.
The thing is, we can both hear each other fine. You have the same volume as Joe when you're speaking. So, it is on your end.
Well, I've gone through all my settings and it's all maxed out. And I still can't hear you guys.
Yeah, but you have an old scuffed phone you're on.
Actually, it's not even a full year old.
No, but it's an it is the Motorola. Isn't that's trash?
Motorola G7 Power Plus.
Yeah. But we can hear you really well. I can hear Joe well. He can hear me.
Can you repeat that?
I can hear you. I can hear Joe very fine. My stream can hear me. Everyone can hear except you. So it has to be there.
I'm gonna have to try to figure something out here because you guys are literally coming in as a whisper right now.
Okay, try to restart Discord.
Okay, be back in a sec.
He doesn't even fucking know how to turn off the app. He's just going to hang up.
You guys here?
Yes, we can hear you perfectly fine.
You guys are still coming in as a whisper.
Then it's something wrong with your phone. Did you hear that? There's something wrong with your phone.
I heard ya. I'm also trying to see if there's anything I can do online real quick, like any forums that could help.
Yeah. Do you have us on speaker or do you have us on some earphones?
Just speaker.
Try to
Earphones I have won't do calls.
try to turn off speaker and talk normally into the phone.
Alright, so that's not working.
Not working?
You guys hear me?
Yes.
It's still coming in as a freaking whisper.
And you put this on. And then you just...
That's weird.
Like that.
Yeah, this is getting really freaking weird. Why is my phone doing this right now? Does it have to happen on the day that I've been throwing up, like, non-stop?
Have you been playing
Why?
Apex Legends? Pay for each other?
Alright, I'm trying to figure this out, and I can't get anything figured out at the moment with this whole volume thing, because you guys literally are coming in as a whisper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is...
That's fucking weird.
I am trying to figure this out, guys. I'm looking everywhere online for solutions.
Yeah, I think you need to go inside. Because it's making so much noise around you. That's probably why you can't hear us.
I don't know what's up with Airsoft's microphone. Your cam froze in your channel? Unless it's just me. I think it might just be you.
It's not frozen in your channel.
Airsoft shit is just scuffed and broken.
You guys hear me?
Yes.
Hey.
You guys are still coming in as a whisper.
You're a whisper. You're a sweet little whisper. You know that?
I didn't catch that. What was that?
Joe?
Yes?
Maybe I should play some Apex instead, because nothing is working today. Airsoft, do you have earphones?
That's what I'm trying on right now.
We can hear you.
You guys are still coming in as like a whisper.
You're a whisper.
We're coming in as a whisper right now, too?
You are as sweet as a whisper. You know that? This is Knut. This is without a doubt the most scuffed stream I think we've ever had before. Ever.
I know. And I'm grumpy as fuck from...
Man, you are grumpy. You know what?
Guys, you're still coming in as a whisper. I'm trying to figure this out. This is pissing me off.
You know what?
Shitting nonstop today. And now, my fucking phone.
Did you say you're puking and shitting nonstop?
I've been getting sick all day today. And then Comcast had to reset our new modem's password 5 times because the lady couldn't get it right the first time.
Fatty.
Meanwhile, I'm running to the bathroom in between each attempt to puke.
Thank you for the donation to Knut. Meow.
Oh, yeah, and Grandpa.
You need to take the headphones and take the take the cord and put it in the phone. You have to put the cord in the phone. So take the cord and then put it in the phone. Like in one motion. Put it in the phone, and then once you do that, take the headphones and put them in your ear. And then you'll be able to hear us.
What about having a computer when you're a fucking star on YouTube?
Dude, Knut.
Yeah?
You need to take a break. I think you need another nap.
Soon. I'm rather playing some games. Play higher and lower with chat? What's that? What's that, Joe? Should we rather play some games today, Joe? Everything is fucked. Whatever.
What do you want to play, baby?
Whatever we can.
Okay, what are you thinking?
What
games do we have?
Hang on, gentlemen. I gotta swap out shirts. I just threw up on myself.
Good one. That's the best I've heard today.
Was that a joke?
I'm not joking.
Joe, can I be toxic and mean to everyone today?
No. He's sick.
Yeah.
I don't know what to say, Knut.
What happened to my song request I donated, Knut? What song request? There's no song requests on. And you haven't donated any text with any song requests either.
10 minutes later, sorry, I just shit myself. How do you just exist and then just puke on
That's
yourself?
shirt number 2 today.
What the fuck? Yo, Fatty. Airsoft. Airsoft. Hello?
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 Oh,
Hello? You know, when you're
Hello,
sick, you should
hello,
probably go
hello.
and lay down in bed. Have a bucket beside your bed every time you're puking.
Hello, I'm Knut. I'm from Norway.
Stick your head in the bucket instead of driving around in your van.
well, you still have stuff to do, like getting internet set up and paying the rent. Still got necessities, my man. Even if you gotta pull over to Dollar Tree, run to the bathroom and puke.
I think I would have sent my roommate living for free to do that the day I was sick. Just
Thank you
an
for the
idea.
donation to Knut. Ayaya.
Knut?
I'm not quite sure, but it sounds weird to me.
Yeah?